We came from the abyss. Hear me. We are about 3% from recovering everything Liberation Day. So April was a pretty, April was a pretty good month. Shook back, finished the month strong. Here we are in May. But I got a news for y'all. This is something that's dope. Watch this. Sean, I got something for you. Even though May is a down month from 1928 to 2024, watch this though. Out of the last 10 Mays, 9 have been positive. 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019 was negative, 2020, 21, 22, 23, and 24. On average, you get 0.9%. 90% chance of May being a higher month. We just had to go a little bit in the data on that. Because I was like, yo, let's dig a little deeper there. So just think about that. On average, it's a down month, but the last 10 years, 9 out of 10 Mays been good. So I got a question for you, Sean. What does this May bring? Come on.
I think we can inch forward a little bit more. I think we
You
came
think
out of
what?
We can inch forward a little bit more. April, we rebounded. You know what I'm saying? We dropped, rebounded that. I think we ain't going to get a lot, but I think we definitely going to inch out of that. You know what I'm saying? Positive.
Somebody asked, why is, that mean it just broke even.
Yeah.
That mean it broke even. That mean it ain't negative. If it ain't negative, it's positive. I mean, it just broke even. It's a doji candle. It's a doji candle. All right, so what do you think we go? You think we go 1%? Come on, give me something.
I don't know why. I think probably 7-8%. I don't know about 1.
7-8%?
I don't know about 1. I think we might pop, I think.
You're looking for an explosion.
Nah.
Because you got to think, in 2024, we did 4% in May.
That's what I'm saying. I don't know. I think we probably going to get something, but then, I don't know. Trump, I feel like he going to say something.
You saying 0.7%?
0.8, not 8,
I thought you were talking about 8. I was like, yo, 8% in a month? Oh, my God. Boy, what you know that I don't know? What do you know?
Nah, probably 0.8, maybe 1.
So almost 1%.
Yeah, I think we're going to get something, but I don't know. We got to see what Trump do with this.
Let's see in the chat. What y'all think we get? I'm going to go month of April, month of May. I'm going 0.6%. I'm going to go a little bit below the average. I'm going 0. Matter of fact, I'm going 0.8. Month of April. 0.8. Month of April.
Optimistic?
Well, it's still being optimistic.
I mean, yeah, but we had a 4%, we had a 2%.
Well, here's why I'm thinking. Remember, we got to get a deal done.
Facts.
Right? We got to hit something. So watch this. I see. So that means the month of April started last Thursday. So remember, Thursday and Friday was good. Right? Stellar days. And then Monday and Tuesday actually wasn't down. So watch this. Monday and Tuesday actually just cancel out Friday. Because Friday we did 1.5%. Monday and Tuesday we down 50, 75, and I think 75. So that cancels Friday out, but we still had a good Thursday. So we probably up 1% on the month.
Yeah.
Now, we got a Fed meeting tomorrow. We outside of earnings season. All we got is NVIDIA at the end of the month. That's the only event. So now the only thing that pushes the month is economic data. We know the Fed say they're not gonna cut unless Jerome pull a rabbit out the hat. I don't think he gonna let nobody pressure him into doing nothing he don't want to do.
Yeah.
So now that means the rest of the month, we just waiting on news. There's no catalyst events that pushes us that way. So I say we go almost 1% for me. All right, so here we go. Did the bear market trick us, y'all? Like, I want to know that. Like, so we had 9 days, and then we catch 2 days where the market, and I told Sean this earlier, I say, bro, like, I'm not even much mad at the 2 days because we ran for 9 days. We came from the abyss. We came from the abyss. Hear me. We are about 3% from recovering everything. Liberation Day. So, and watch this. That's in a 9-day time span. So what it took to go down a whole month, a painful month, you got it back in almost 11 days. You had a 9-day rally, and then you had these 2 days. So you're about 3 days off of Liberation Day. So you are 11 days. It took 11 days, you got back a month worth of damage. One good rally, and you back to April 2nd. Now, of course, every stock not back, but in totality. In totality. So here it is. The length of days when they talk about just did the bears trick us, bear market rally since. Now, when it's saying length of days, this is like a rally doesn't consist of like consecutive days. It means higher highs and higher lows consistently is considered like a good rally. You feel what I'm saying? So it's, look, average 44 days. So watch this. In a bear market, you get an average of 44 days of a rally. That's just on average. So again, that's not saying there's no down days involved. It's just saying overall, you get that trend in totality in there. But watch this. Imagine in April 1990, you had 106 days that consisted of a rally, and you thought you was out of the bear. Think about that. That's insane. That's a half a year almost, bro. So let's see. In 2001, you had 105 days. In 2022, and we saw you had 60 days. So just imagine in that time, you thinking like, yo, I'm out of this thing. And that thing like, we still in it, right? 41 days. 2008, 36 days. In 08, here's the great part about this, y'all. And I will say this in the Patreon. We some bold people. Cause we sit on the side, but we be about swinging. You know what I'm saying? Like, we'll take our damn, all right, let's go lick our wounds, y'all. Let's go lick our wounds. But guess what? We back at it. Better, more precision. Shout out to my girl, Brooke, because she said something one day in a group that was real dope. She said, hey, y'all, listen, we done been through this before. Right? I know it may hurt, but Trap done helped us get through this before. We all right. And I think that'd be so good. Like, even some people in the group, I see that a lot. They be like, hey, y'all, like, and this the dope part. What I love about it, too, is, I always say this, bro, like, you can only lead people through something that you've been through before. Now, even though this is a more intense situation, we can look back and say, hey, we've been through similar situations. It may not last 8 weeks, but we did it for 4 weeks, we did it for 5 weeks, and it was intense. And what I want everybody to understand is, like, if you didn't just quit during this time, here's what I do know. You 100% see the market different. You 100% came out of this shit better. You came out of this, and we not out of it by far at all, but them 8 weeks took you somewhere. You was like, hey, guess what? I just learned this. Boy, I'm tougher than what I thought I was. Hey, it ain't shake me. You know, it's okay to go back and like, hey, let me lick my wound right quick. All right, get it together. All right. What round it is? What round it is? Got it. Right? But watch this. This is how you know you getting better when you don't emotionally respond the way you did 8 weeks ago. Right? So when the market hit, you don't emotionally be like, man, not again. You look at it like, oh, what? Oh, 0.75%? Oh, boy, that ain't nothing. Boy, we all right. And you start not panicking like, hey, let me hurry up and take my profit here. No, let me let the play out a little more. I got my take profit zone in play. I know when I'm going to cut it. When you start letting the game, like, if you didn't come out of this, and here's the thing, you can't just say I came out of it better. How you know you came out of it better? When you move different. How you know you came out of it better? When you see the data different. When you see, oh, bro, on TV, here's what I want it to do. Here's what I think it should do. Oh, Trap put that play in, let me see the play. So here's what I started doing. Even in the Patreon, I started saying, hey, check this out. When I put the play in, I'm going to give you a diagnosis of what I see. Now, that's just saying, yo, I'm showing y'all what I see, what we did. So I just want everybody to know that's in this game, who stayed in the game, who fought for all it is. I want you to understand that you may have went through it. Yep, you took some L's along the way, but guess what, yo? If you did what you were supposed to do, you came out of it better.